are doing well. Today in this class we will learn about phrases. So at first we will know what is a phrase. So about phrases and its type. So we will learn phrases and its types. Phrases and its types. So before starting we will know what is a phrase, and how many types is there. What is a phrase? At first we will know what is a phrase. What is a phrase? What is a phrase? As we all know, a phrase is a group of words without any subject verb composition. So as we all know, a phrase is a group of words without any subject verb composition. Means से कौन से subject verb रो composition नथिबो तो सेटा को phrase कहो. So let's see with examples. Another few points to be noted. Take down. A phrase is a group of words without any subject verb composition. Next, no meaning if used alone, and if used in a sentence has a unique meaning. आ माने कौन मैडम एते सब लिखिदेले ता माने होची नो मीनिंग इफ यूज्ड अलोन. फ्रेजटा होची गोटे एमिति जिनिस गोटे ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स किछि ग्रुप वर्ड रो किछि गोटे ग्रुप थिबो जोटा कि एलोन स्टैंड कर एकुटिया हेले किछि तार माने बुझेइबनी किंतु जदि सेटा गोटे सेंटेंस रे बुझे जाए तार गोटे किछि स्पेसिफिक माने आस जाए. तो आमे एग्जांपल सहकार देखिबा. लेट मी शो यू सम एग्जांपल्स देन. Let's take a beautiful home. Next example we can take my best friend. What are these? A beautiful home, my best friend. Is there any meaning if they are standing alone? जदि किछि नहीं, a beautiful home. एका किसी माने बुझे हाँ वी आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट ए ब्यूटीफुल होम आम किसी बुझी पार्छ गोटे घर विषय कहूँ कि मो बेस्ट फ्रेंड किंतु कौन से माने से माने थ्रो कर किसी माने थ्रो करना गोटे आम थट हाँ आम घरटी बहुत सुंदर कि मो सी मो बेस्ट फ्रेंड कि सेमती किसी आम बुझीपारनु. एटा केवल जदि एलोन स्टैंड कर एलोन ताले से किसी नो मीनिंग एथिरे किसी मीनिंग नहीं जदि एकुटिया किंतु माने कौन ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. These are phrases. A beautiful home, a group of words. My best friend, group of words. But these are phrases because these have no subject verb composition. There is no subject and verb in there. So if I will put something before it, it will make a sentence. Then let me show you. I built a beautiful home and Rima is my best friend. Are they conveying any meaning now? Yes, they are. They are conveying meaning if they are put in a sentence. जदि कौन से सेंटेंस रे से माने पुट होचंदी से माने किछि माने थ्रो करचंदी. तेणु जदि आम ताको सिंगल यूज करथलु एटा होची हमरो these are phrases. These are phrases. In a phrase there is no subject verb composition, so I think it will clear. Let's take in its types. Let's look into, now it is clear, then its types. Look into the types of phrases. There are 5 kinds of phrases are there. First of all, noun phrase, then comes verb phrase, third adjective phrase, next adverb phrase, the last one the prepositional phrase. Did you notice something? Did you notice something here? There are some common from, these are taken from the parts of speech from English. Noun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition. These are come from the parts of speech. So now we will discuss one by one elaborately. The first of all we can discuss noun phrase. What is a noun phrase? How can you identify this? It is a noun phrase, it is a verb phrase. Let's see. Noun phrase. First, its definition: the phrase which acts like a noun is called a noun phrase. And we can write noun plus other associated words which modifies noun, which modify noun. So what is the meaning? Ma'am, what is the meaning here? Noun phrase. The phrase which acts like a noun is called a noun phrase. जो phrase रे noun ऊपर emphasis दिया noun विषय रे किसी कहा जाउथिबो जना पर तो phrase माने से obviously subject verb किसी नथिबो, noun थिबो से noun को जोठी emphasis दिया होथिबो पर noun संगरे other associated words किसी word अलगा थिबो जोटा कि noun को बेसी modify करथिबो, आमे सेही पार्ट को कहूचे noun phrase. Let me show you some example then, so you can easily understand. Then the first example we can take a woman in the window. Next we can take a gentle black shirt. What are these? These are phrases. Yes, these are phrases. Woman here is noun and shirt here is noun, obviously. But why it is called total noun phrase? हम कहीं के में तो noun phrase total लोग कहूँचे, because a woman in the window, this all part called what? The noun phrase. All total it is a noun phrase, but it is woman is noun here. woman विषय रे in the window माने स्त्री लोकटी झरका भितर ठिया हिची देखुची बा कोन गोटे करची काहा को डाकुची, तो से भाई नाउन विषय रे अधिका के कहला in the window describing something more about the woman, माने से झरका भितर स्त्री लोकटी ठिया हिची काहा को डाकुची कोन करूची, तो एटा एम्फासिस देल कोन woman ऊपर बेसी एम्फासिस दे कि अदर एसोसिएटेड वर्ड्स एटा आम जो कही से अदर एसोसिएटेड वर्ड्स इन द विंडो से किसी गोटे वर्ड को मॉडिफाई कर नाउन को सी नाउन को डिस्क्राइब कर देन सर्ट जदि ये सर्ट अच्छी नाउन तो सर्ट को बेसी डिस्क्राइब किए करुच्ची सर्ट विषय बेसी कौन जना पड़े हमको ए जेंटल ब्लैक सर्ट गोटे बहुत भल ब्लैक कलर सर्टे तेणु यही फ्रेजटा टोटाल हूँ आमर कौन नाउन फ्रेज नाउन फ्रेज रे सर्ट हूँ नाउन कहीं सर्ट को से ए जेंटल ब्लैक डिस्क्राइब कर सर्ट को से डिस्क्राइब्स द नाउन सर्ट then we'll discuss verb phrase the verb phrase take down its definition a verb phrase is a group of main verb and helping verb within a sentence. सो व्हाट इज verb phrase आम केमती जाना हाउ कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई यहाँ verb phrase बोले केमती जाना तो जो फ्रेज रे गोटे फ्रेज रे से मेन verb मध्य थिबो हेल्पिंग verb मध्य थिबो तो सेटा को आम कह जानी परिबो सेटा होची हमर कोन verb phrase. Let's see some examples then. For examples we can take you should study for exam. Next we can take she has finished her work. You should study for exam. These are called verb phrase. Why these are verb phrase? Because it is the person is the verb phrase. Why we can call it verb phrase? Because it has both main verb and helping verb. Here within a sentence, as the definition, according to the definition, a verb phrase is a group of main verb and helping verb within a sentence. Within a sentence there is also a main verb and a helping verb. So it is the verb phrase because verb phrase has no subject verb composition, so we could not take the whole. It is the verb phrase. Next, in the next example, what is the verb phrase then? Which is, this is the verb phrase. Because in the same way it has also a main verb and a helping verb. I think it's clear. The next we'll study the adjective phrase. In an adjective phrase, one or more words work together to give more information about an adjective. You have to remember and understand it before learning. तुमको सब मन रखियार अच्छे बुझीबार मध्य होची कौन लिखाई इन एन एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज क्या कहवा आम एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज गोटे एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज वन और मोर वर्ड्स गोटे कि गोटे अधिक वर्ड यूज होता है कौन एडजेक्टिव विषय बेसी इनफॉरमेशन कर दवाई तो से बुझा से हूँ एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स देन example you can take the first example I am very happy with his work मु ता काम रे बहुत खुशी अच्छे बहुत प्लीज अच्छे माने से तो ये आम कौन जानचु कौट एडजेक्टिव तो ये एडजेक्टिव होची कौन ये एडजेक्टिव होची हैप्पी तो ये आम कौन जानलु एडजेक्टिव होची हैप्पी एटा होची एडजेक्टिव बट व्हाट इज द एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज very happy is the adjective phrase why it is called the adjective phrase very happy because here the word happy is telling more about sorry here is the word very the word very is telling more about happy and it other one or more words it बेसी अधिक वर्ड हो गला कौन जे हैप्पी को एडजेक्टिव को से मॉडिफाई करछि बेसी जैसे बहुत खुशी अच्छी मु ता काम रे खुशी अच्छी मु ता काम रे खुशी अच्छी हैप्पी टा एडजेक्टिव किंतु बहुत खुशी अच्छी बहुतटा ताको डिस्क्राइब करछि कहा को अधिक इन्फॉर्म करूछि द वर्ड हैप्पी को in the next example we can take that the cost of the car is way too high so what is the adjective here high is the adjective here high is the adjective as we all know high is the adjective here so way to what is way to ये describe करछि कहा को अधिक इन्फॉर्म दउछि कहा विषय हाई ए कार रो दाम टी अधिक way to माने बहुत अधिक टिके बहुत अधिक बहुत describe कला का को तो एटा होछि हमर adjective phrase because it is telling it is giving more information about the word high so you can take it is the adjective phrase next comes the adverb phrase the adverb phrase we'll know what is the adverb phrase then again we can write in an adverb phrase one or more words work together to give more information what about it सेठी थिला लास्ट रे थिला एडजेक्टिव थिला इट हैव इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट एन एडवर्ब so you have to understand it carefully that in an adverb phrase का को adverb phrase कहूँ जे जो phrase रे किसी सेमती one or more words इन्फॉर्म करूथो बेसी इन्फॉर्म करूथो का विषय रे गोटे एडवर्ब विषय रे सेही फ्रेज जोटा एडवर्ब थिबो ता विषय बेसी से इलाबोरेट करूथो let's see the examples in the first example we can take they ran really fast they ran really fast से माने शीघ्र दौड़ले प्रकृत रे शीघ्र दौड़ले so what is the adverb here adverb is fast is adverb here so adverb को किए टिके बेसी मॉडिफाई करछ ठीक adverb विषय अधिका किए कहूची दे ना रेन सेडा बिनु व्हाट इज देन really प्रकृत रे से माने जोर दौड़िले जोरे दौड़े तो द होल पार्ट हियर इज द पार्ट द एडवर्ब फ्रेज जो पार्टा जो फ्रेजटा एडवर्ब विषय अधिका किसी इनफॉर्म दौथु हमको इनफॉरमेशन दौथबो तो आम सेटा को कहि पारबो कोन एडवर्ब फ्रेज तो से माने प्रकृत शीघ्र दौड़िले तो शीघ्रटा विषय फोकस कर प्रकृत इन द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल सी ही ड्रैंक द मिल्क शेक मच क्विकर which is the adverb here? The adverb is quicker. Here it is adverb. तो quicker शीघ्र comparatively शीघ्र quicker विषय अधिका कि हमको इनफॉरमेशन दूसरी कौन मिल्क शेक ना ना ड्रिंक तो एटा होचे कौन दूसरी कि हमको मच comparatively बहुत शीघ्र माने टी मच हमको इन्फॉर्म कला तेणु मच क्विकर होल part is called the adverb phrase because you can write because the word much is providing more information about what? About the adverb quicker. About the adverb quicker. According to the definition. According to the definition, the word एटी गोटे वर्ड अच्छी मचटा हूँ गोटे वर्ड वन वर्ड नॉट मोर वर्ड्स वन वर्ड मच को प्रोवाइडिंग आमको बेसी प्रोवाइड कर इनफॉरमेशन किए मच क्या the adverb quicker. So this is the adverb phrase. The last one the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase. Again in the same way we can write in the same way the definition in a prepositional phrase. In a prepositional phrase, one or more words work together to give more information about preposition. Again it is easily understood that here is also in a prepositional phrase केमती जानिबा how can we know, how can we identify that is a prepositional phrase because there is also one or more words work together. से माने मते गोटे अधिका वर्ड एकाथरे काम करथबे कोन इन्फॉर्म करथबे बेसी प्रीपोजिशन को जो इन्फॉर्म करथबे प्रीपोजिशन विषय रे. So the examples we can take it informs about what? About time, place or condition. It informs about time, place or condition. In the example we can take the cat is, we can write the cat is sleeping on the mat or carpet or something on the carpet. Then the second example, he always speaks in loud voice. So what is the preposition here? Which are? It is the preposition on and in the preposition. On the preposition and on the carpet is the prepositional phrase. Here is in the preposition and in loud voice is the prepositional phrase, because they are describing they are giving information about the preposition on the carpet in loud voice. Clear? I think it will help you, my little information will help you to grab some knowledge about phrases and its types. So in the next class we will learn clauses, learn about clauses and types. Thank you.